Hello and welcome to Ageless Beauty Pro. I'm Karen and I am going to go over some of my very best eye protocols that you can do at home to regenerate your eye area. So first you have to determine your need, and your need is either you have dark circles and hollows, or you have wrinkles, crepey thin skin. Sometimes of course you say you have all of them, but generally you're going to have one or two over the others. My particular issue is dark circles. And the first thing that you should do is release the lymph and sinus that accumulates in that area, and this can help release congestion, drain the lymph, and that creates puffiness and dark circles. You can do that with your fingers in a manual stimulation, or you can use a tool like the gua sha tool. You can also use microcurrent, which will help stimulate blood flow, lift, and open your eye. And you can use the probes under your eyes, on the bone, just under the eye hollow area, and move the probes around there. Use it, of course, on the upper eye, where you can open up the eye and lift the muscles, and also stimulate blood flow and open up the eye area. And by stimulating blood flow and working in this area, you're going to help to refill in those hollows, as well as brighten the area and make your eye look more open. You can lay the probes flat and then feather over the lines sort of in a quick movement very gently to smooth those lines, and that kind of works for an immediate fix. You can also do that, work the probes all the way around the eye in a sort of quick fashion like I'm doing, and that will stimulate blood flow and brighten the eyes, which is really good if you've had a long day and you have to go out at night. You really want to open up your eyes and look like you're wide awake. You can do something like that. Works great in the morning too, of course. So these are all movements that you can use with your microcurrent device. Then of course you'd want to apply your serum and an infusion mask, like this gold infusion mask. It's a collagen eye mask. You can apply directly over serums. You can also use the microneedle before you do that. People ask, can I use my CAVI under my eyes? And this is where you would apply it, sort of on the upper cheekbone and then around the crow's feet. But I would suggest never to apply the serum directly under the eye nor on the eyelid. It can be very irritating. So the best ingredients for your eye area are, again, to determine your need. Matrixyl will relax lines and give you an immediate effect. Vitamin C is great for brightening. Peptides are great for stimulating collagen. Vitamin K I particularly love for dark circles. And then stem cells are wonderful regeneration. And the Neogenesis eye has the stem cells, peptides, and brightening agents. And this is going to give you an overall great regeneration of your eye, and use that at night. And then the Expertise is one I like for during the day. This is an anti-aging eye serum. It has the vitamin K, neuropeptides, and the matrixyl that smooths those lines immediately. And I just love the vitamin K factor in this particular product for my need, which helps brighten dark circles. It stimulates collagen growth. It helps smooth those lines, and it's great to use like in the morning during the day. You can use your eye mask right over those serums to sort of infuse those serums right into your skin. So your protocol would be to release that lymph and sinus, then to use microcurrent to stimulate the blood flow, brighten the eye area, and smooth any fine lines, and open the eyes and lift the muscles. You can then microneedle lightly over that area, and then apply your favorite serum and an eye mask, and that's optional, but I really recommend it if you're doing the whole protocol. So I'm Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro. Please visit my site and join my Ageless E Club. You can get immediate discounts. It's free to join. Thanks for watching.